Hey guys, today we're checking out stock number 268733, and this is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. Our color is black. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power locks, windows, mirrors, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready. Got a dial shifter. Got our auto start stop, parking assist, traction control. Electronic and dual with rear climate control as well. USB ports. Garage door openers. We've got our rear hatch control, rear doors controls, rear door controls, and our interior color is black. And moving on to our rear passenger features. We've got a three-way split seat bench that folds down for access to that 60/40 split bench. Rear climate control as well. Power doors. Moving on to our exterior, we've got 18-inch Chrysler rims, roof rack, rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch, all of our cargo space, and there you have it, guys. That's stock number 268733. You've just checked out this black 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. Thanks for watching.